This is Halswell House, deep in the heart of the Somerset countryside. This Grade 1 listed building is going through one of the biggest restorations in its history. And we have been given exclusive access to show you exactly what's going on behind the scenes. The estate is in the lovely village of Goathurst, some 3 miles southwest of Bridgwater. Set in parklands which are also being renovated, with follies and ponds and this amazing area called Millwood. Okay, I didn't expect that. One of the main features here in Millwood is this, the Temple of Harmony. Now the temple is open during the summer months, in the afternoons on Sunday, and there's more information on the social media feeds for Halswell House.